Hey folks, Poverty Point Customs here. What we're going to do today is install some Nerf bars on my 2022 Zforce 950 Sport. Bought these right through Cfmoto Canada, so let's get it unboxed. So you have your right and left Nerf bar, you have some hardware, and your instruction manual. I will say they definitely pack them very, very well. So the first thing we're going to do is remove both of these plugs. And you're going to have two screw holes. What you're going to want to do is clean these out. As you can see, they're full of dirt. So if we go underneath, you'll be able to see here and right there, that's where your bottom two bolts are going to go through. So you're going to clean these out also. So there's 4 bolts. The shorter ones are going to be going in the bottom and the 2 longer ones are going to be going in the top in these spots. So one thing I like to do before I put the Nerf bar on is I'll actually take the bolt and I'll screw it in all the holes. Sometimes you get a little bit of a buildup of paint in the thread. That way you know you're not going to cross thread it. Alright, so we're going to put the long bolts in the top. And what we're going to do is screw it in, but just loosely. Just want to note too, I'm going to be using a little bit of thread locker as these four-wheelers are bounced around quite a bit and I don't want them backing off. Alright, so I got the 2 bottom bolts in. Now I'll tell you, I had a really hard time lining these up. As you can see on the one on the front, right there, actually I had to use a ratchet strap to pull this bracket a little bit forward. No matter how loose I had all the other ones, I was not able to line this up. So with a little ratchet strap action, we got her lined up. Alright, so snug up your 2 top bolts. What you're going to do next is take these little rubber caps. Makes it look more of a factory finish, and pop those in. So there's one here and right there. So you're going to have a little rubber boot here and one right here. So you're going to want to push these in. Now I did the other side. I find they don't snug in tight into the hole here. It's almost like they're a little off center, so do your best. And there we go. We got them all installed. Find they look great. And there's the other side. And the reason I got these, there's so much plastic at the bottom, so if these protected at least one time, they've paid for themselves. Overall, the build quality looks very good. However, the fitment took a little bit of work, but in the end, we got them all installed. So the next project, if you see a little box right there, stay tuned. We're going to have a little addition on the front of this side-by-side. Anyways, hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to see future videos of the Z950. Thanks for watching.